Hey there, Rocky Top. It's Tuesday morning, February 25th, 2020, and you're listening to Beacon Under 5, UT, Knoxville, and national news for the Busy Volunteer. My name's Benjamin Winiger, here with the latest headlines. So, let's get into it. First up is the weather. Expect clouds in the morning, but more sunshine in the afternoon. Today's high is 63, and its low is 43. There's a 20% chance of precipitation, and humidity will stand at 75%. Next up is campus news. The Campus Anti-Food Insecurities Initiative Swipe Out Hunger has partnered with SGA for a new version of a classic campus event. Slap the Rock typically sees students painting UT's free speech attraction, but for today, participants are encouraged to donate canned and non-perishable goods in support of ending campus food insecurity. Food will also be provided, with leftovers donated to the Food Recovery Network. The event will go on from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. in front of the Rock. UT Chancellor Dondi Plomin will host an open house today at 4 p.m. in the Student Union. The Chancellor and her cabinet will answer any and all questions for the curious volunteer. Food will be provided, with leftovers donated to the Food Recovery Network. Frank Cuevas, the interim Student Life Vice Chancellor, will host another student organization funding listening session. If you've any concerns or grievances over student organization funding and the lack thereof, make known those grievances today at 6 p.m. in Student Union Room 362A. Next up is national news. This Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court announced its intent to settle whether or not faith-based adoption agencies can deny services to homosexual couples. The case, Fulton versus the City of Philadelphia, came after Philadelphia city officials stopped working with the Catholic Social Services over the policy of denying same-sex unions. The Catholic institution stands by its policy, saying that the Catholic Church doesn't recognize same-sex unions and that the city's decision is a violation of their First Amendment rights. City officials, meanwhile, stand by their belief that CSS policies constitute civil right violations. The announcement comes over a month after Tennessee Governor Bill Lee signed a controversial bill allowing faith-based agencies to deny same-sex couples. If the Supreme Court rules in favor of Philadelphia, the decision would render the Tennessee legislation unconstitutional. Before we go into our last story, a brief content warning. The following news story contains instances and mentions of rape and sexual assault. Listeners' discretion is advised. A New York jury has convicted billionaire and former film producer Harvey Weinstein on 2 charges of third-degree rape and first-degree criminal sexual acts. However, Weinstein escaped 2 charges of predatory sexual assault, as well as a charge of first-degree rape, meaning the felon will avoid a life sentence. Accusations against Weinstein in 2017 led to the widespread Me Too movement. 6 survivors testified against the convicted, with over 80 other women having also accused him of rape, assault, and sexual predation. The court will render his sentence on March 11th, with potential punishment as much as 25 years in prison. However, the criminal still faces multiple civil lawsuits from dozens of his survivors. He also faces another criminal charge of rape and sexual battery in Los Angeles. Well, that's it for today, folks. If you'd like to know more, please visit the Daily Beacon website at utdailybeacon.com, and be sure to tune in next time for more important information. Until then, this is Benjamin Winiger with Beacon Under 5, signing off. Good luck, and go Vols.